Good afternoon, guys. This is James Chapman with Southern Appearance. We're out here in West Ashley. Tackled a rather gruesome job today, but we're going to start over here and do a quick walkthrough for everybody. Went ahead, we didn't have a front porch, so nice. Sorry, had to get the zoom out. Alright guys, please feel free to leave an honest review, and if you know anybody else looking at their something clean, give us a call, 843-534-3428. Thank you and have a great day.